do 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 I am going to press stop right now. We're going to take a little break. See you later, bye. And we're back. Hi, how you doing? Well, I'm fine. How are you, Frank? I'm fine, Bob. How are you, George? Wait, how many people are here? I think 3. So there's 3 people here. Yes, there is. Okay, fine. Well, anyways. Do 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 do. You are now going to listen to Under My Armpit. You can't really smell anything because it's quite not stinky. And you can't hear anything because it's an armpit and it doesn't have a mouth. So anyways, bye.